So today we're talking about how to make bubbles and how to draw funnels. First of all, this is a quick draw. Right here. You see it? So first I need to do it. So first, we're gonna do how to draw funnels. So what? First, you need to draw the head. Second, you need to draw the ears. Third, you need to draw the hair.
Make spikes. Make long spikes or short.
Yeah.
It should be around 10 to, 1.
This is how you draw his eyes. First, you need to make 2 bubbles that don't really connect down here. They look like they connect if you look from far. But if you look closer, you'll see that they don't connect. So now, you need to draw some lines. This is the part where you usually see it green. Well, actually, it's right here. I need to draw it here and just color it. Then you draw it here, here, and here.
So.
See? Now you have drawn his eyes. Now you need to draw his nose. All you need to do is make a little line and make a little dot and make that dot kind of shiny. See? Now we have drawn the nose. Now next, it doesn't matter what pose you put, but I choose happy. If you're going to do happy, you should draw teeth. See, as done.
It's just like so.
Now that's how you draw his face. Now we need to draw the rest of his body.
With muscles!
Yes, with muscles. So now, well, not with muscles. This is his stomach. Now this is his muscle. His stomach. So now you need to draw the little stomach, the little midsection of his stomach. Now we have drawn his stomach as so. So now we need to draw his arms. He has gloves too, so draw a line, put the little area for his gloves, and now put his hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do the same over here. As seen over here. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have drawn his hands. Now you need to draw his feet. First, you gotta draw some. Now you need to draw 4 lines. Make them separate. Draw a line in between them. And this is just a sketch of how I make his shoe. Do you think it's right? If you don't, you make it the way you want it to be.
This is good for a game drawing contest.
Yeah, this is good for a game drawing contest.
After probably on a day that is like a day after like on Christmas Eve, how can we have a contest to draw Santa and Christmas presents and stuff like that. So ask them right now. Just pause it.
So now you are drawing Phonics shoes. It's shown you need to draw a little line and draw a line right here. It's showing right here. Need to draw a line right here. This is just my sketch. This is not how other people would draw it, but I just want to show you that I know how to draw. Now see, I have drawn something. Goodbye! The next video will be how to draw, how to make bubbles. We need to do our part on how to make bubbles. And then after that, we'll pause and we'll stop. We'll do a little commercial break. And look, bubbles. Bubbles. Wait.
Wait, you need to make the bubbles next year. My bubble always
We should use bubbles. Like use. Oh. So let's go in the kitchen. So here's how you can make bubbles simple. First, grab yourself a little dish liquid. Second, try to use the leftover bubble mix from your last time. If you don't have it, it's okay. This is just how I make it alone. Then third, we'll have to go and get it off the wall. Which will be fine if you want to make it different. Something to stir. Then next, if you want to just give it, see how it's made? But if you want that to make it smell something like good, add a little deodorant. Then now you should stir it. Grab your wand and blow your bubbles. Now, this is the end of our video. See you later. Bye-bye. Well, really, it's a commercial break. Commercial break. TV time. Monday. And when we get finished with this video and when the other one uploads to YouTube, we can do another video of how to draw, how to write, how to draw in cursive, and how to draw Christmas gifts. And how to write love in 3D.
Next Monday night is Sunday.
Yes. So, we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Remember to